Okay, I have already sewn this side of my cord to this little cell phone, cute little carrier here, and made by Trish Stewart, and she painted it, and it's on this velvet, and it's so darn cute. It says hello on one side and goodbye on the other side. And I am going to come down on the other side. I've already stitched a little bit down, but I want you to see how I stitch this cord to the finished edge. This has already been turned. The inside's already finished, and I'm just going to zigzag, and my zigzag is actually on 2.5. It's not very wide. I don't want it real wide because I don't want it to show. I want it to just bury into that fabric. I hope you can see. And then I'm going to come around this curve, and you can see that it just kind of hugs the curve, goes around the curve, and this is going to look like you put a piping in here. And then I'm going to just keep coming. Oops. Make sure I'm on the track here. I'm just going to keep coming until I get to the center here. Now this is very bulky cord, and this is drapery cord, so don't get the foot caught in it. Okay, so now once I get to the middle, I'm just going to come down and stitch across these just to get them so that they're not going to fray, because I am going to fray this in a minute, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to do that, because once you cut this cord, it's going to go bananas. So there is what you want to do. Before you cut it, you want to tape it up. So now this is when I want to tie my knot before I get the fraying started. And I'm going to tie my knot in the bottom, and it wants to go its own way, but that's okay. Whatever's the cutest way it'll go. We're just going to let it do that, and I'm probably going to tack it so that it has the knot right at the very bottom. And then once I get ready, I'm going to cut this off, and I'm going to start letting it fray. I'm going to give it plenty of space because I want it to fray. And then I'm going to probably still tie that stitch that knot down, and then once it starts fraying, then you'll have this cool little end that looks like it's been like a tassel, and you can just leave it like, you know, curly like that, or you can go ahead and fluff it out, and it'll look like hair at the bottom. But isn't that the cutest thing you've ever seen? Whoa, there's lots of threads. But this hello on one side, goodbye on the other side. Cute as a bug. It's at Trish Stewart Designs, and it's S-T-U-A-R-T Designs, and you can order this already done up fabric, or you can paint it yourself. Cuter than cute.